With room for the entire family and then some, the 27B joins the Hurricane lineup and is this week's featured floor plan. The smallest member of the Hurricane family has the same big features you know and love. You get the rock-solid Triton V10 with 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque to power you to your destination. This in a motorhome under 30 feet, so you can easily get in and out of most of your favorite state and national parks. Inside the 27B, there's room to move, room to live, room to entertain. The sofa with seat belts for the trip makes for a comfortable place to kick back and relax and watch the TV with Blu-ray player, and it quickly flips into a great place to sleep. If you want to stay up and read, you'll find individual lights that turn on with the quick press of the button. At the booth dinette, you can easily seat 4, be it mealtime or game time. Flip the handle underneath and the dinette quickly becomes a comfortable bed. When you're not enjoying the open road, you can relax in the swivel reclining captain's chairs. If you need to get some work done, the flip-out workstation makes it easy to stay connected. Up above, there's a drop-down bunk, which is always a favorite with the kids. In the kitchen, you'll find all the conveniences of home. A double-door refrigerator, right next to a massive pull-out pantry. Across the aisle, you have a 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover and oven. There's a microwave up above, surrounded by plenty of large cabinets, and a large double-bowl sink is set into solid surface countertops. Through the privacy doors, and you've entered the bedroom, complete with king bed and closets big enough so you can actually hang your clothes and not shove them in a drawer. The bedroom also features a TV, and this is where you find the Bluetooth-enabled Coach radio system, where you are just a simple connection away from your favorite playlist. The bathroom offers up a stainless steel sink with cabinets below and medicine cabinet above. The glass door shower with skylight lets in great natural light. On the outside, the 27B features a power patio awning with LED lights, a television, and behind this hatch, your exterior propane connection. For a complete breakdown of all the specifications and options, visit thormotorcoach.com.